I am never going back to the old way. If you have tried making UGC ads before, you know the problems. You come up with an angle, you write a script, you hire a creator, you wait for them to shoot, you get the footage back, then you edit. Then you realize the lighting is off, or the delivery feels flat, or the product is not framed right. And by the time you are done, you have spent days, hundreds of dollars, and you only have one version of the ad to test. Meanwhile, the market moves on. And if you want 10 variations to test different hooks, different languages, different demographics, you do that entire process 10 more times. That changed when I found this. This is Maxfusion AI, the first platform that went to ad school. It does not just generate clips, it builds a real ad from script to actor to final edit, all in one place. Generate and recreate winning video ads with AI in minutes. Step 1. Open your browser. Type maxfusion.ai in the address bar and press enter. You land on the home page and create your account in a few clicks. Email, password, or Google, and you are inside the app. From here, everything you need to build an ad lives in one clean workspace. Your actor, your script, your product image, your voice, and the AI model that brings it all together. Now here is where Maxfusion differs from every AI video tool you have used. You start by choosing your actor. You can pick from a library of AI UGC actors, upload an image to turn a face into a lifelike performer, or generate a brand new actor from a text prompt. For this ad, I want a clean, lifestyle UGC aesthetic, so I scroll through the library and select a creator who looks like someone you would actually see in a TikTok ad talking about skincare. Next, we write the script. In the main workspace, I type my ad line by line. Hook, problem, solution, and call to action, just like I would for a real creator. For this example, I am using a skincare hook. I was skeptical about this serum until I saw the results after just 2 weeks. Right beside that script, I add emotion cues so the delivery does not feel robotic. I mark the first part of the line as skeptical and the second part as genuinely impressed, so the performance naturally shifts from doubt to excitement. Maxfusion's RIS model takes that script and audio and maps it directly to facial expressions, micro movements, and lip sync. So when the actor speaks, the emotions actually show up on their face.
I was skeptical about this serum until I saw the results after just 2 weeks.
If the voice sounds frustrated, the brows tighten. If the voice brightens up, the eyes and smile lift too. Crying, laughing, celebrating, your AI actor reacts like a real human, not a stiff avatar. Now it is time to bring the product into the frame. I upload a simple product image, in this case the skincare serum bottle, and let Maxfusion's product placement system do its job. The AI places the bottle naturally in the actor's hands with realistic lighting and shadows, so it looks like they were actually holding it during the shoot instead of having it pasted in later. I nudge the position and size until the label is clear and the shot feels like a genuine UGC clip, not a studio composite. With the visuals set, I move on to the voice. Inside Maxfusion, I choose a voice that sounds like a real UGC creator. Casual, friendly, and conversational. And I can pick from multiple languages if I want to localize the same ad for different markets. I can also upload my own audio or a voiceover from another AI tool and let RIS sync the actor's lips and expressions directly to that track. Everything is ready. Actor selected, script written with emotion cues, product added, voice and language chosen, and RIS set as the model to drive the performance. I hit generate and let Maxfusion do the heavy lifting. In a short time, the full UGC ad is ready to preview. My AI actor speaking straight to camera, my product framed cleanly in the shot, and the emotions moving in sync with every line of the script. This looks like something I would actually run in a real ad account. And the best part is what happens next. Instead of stopping at one video, I can duplicate this project and spin up variations in minutes. I swap the actor to test a different demographic without changing the script or product. I switch the language from English to Spanish or any other supported language and regenerate. So I have localized versions of the same winning concept without hiring translators or new creators. If I want to study what already works in my niche, I can drop in a competitor's ad or a viral video. Let Maxfusion break down the structure, script, and key moments, and then build my own version with my actor, my product, and my brand. And when I spot a frame or composition I love, I can feed that image into Maxfusion's cloning tools to get a copyright-safe lookalike with the same setting, clothing, and camera angle. Perfect for recreating a vibe without copying anyone's identity. Finally, when I am happy with my edits, I export the finished ad in a social-ready format and download it. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook ads, or YouTube Shorts. No cameras, no reshoots, just a complete ad built end-to-end with AI. That is what Maxfusion AI changes. It is not just AI that generates clips. It is an ad production engine. Script, actor, product, voice, emotions, and final render, all in one place, built to test multiple hooks, actors, and languages in the time it used to take to shoot a single UGC video.